My competitors all seem to be talking about new data systems and big data analysis. But what does it mean?
As you'll know, data in this context is all the information on your business, like sales, materials used, even equipment performance. Data analysis is the process of identifying trends from one data set, whereas big data analysis uses multiple data sources to establish these patterns. It's generally used alongside machine learning or artificial intelligence for more complex insights.
Who needs to be gathering and analysing data? Should I?
Most manufacturers can benefit from leveraging data because of all the ways it can support your operations.
Oh, really? Tell me more.
Well, firstly, it allows you to predict trends. As a textile manufacturer, you could see which styles of garments are popular, meaning you don't overproduce the less popular styles and you reduce your overall waste. Just a few other advantages include that it enables you to discover performance or quality issues and more quickly rectify them, better understand customer needs and make more informed decisions, and ensure full traceability in your supply chain, boosting trust. You could even use it to find ways to do business more efficiently and minimize downtime. A food manufacturer that invests in an enterprise resource planning system, for example, can get a better view of their entire operations, enhancing inventory control and quality. Ultimately, it gives business owners like you more oversight.
Wouldn't adoption require a total business overhaul?
Collecting data used to be a difficult and manual process involving lots of paper, but not anymore. Digital technologies eliminate this challenge, making data collection easier and even fully automatic.
Could it cause problems amongst my workforce?
Introducing new technology to a business can naturally trigger workforce anxiety, especially if it is implemented too quickly and without consultation. It's important to communicate how these tools make your team's working lives easier, enabling everyone to focus on more interesting tasks and even learn something new.
But where do I start?
It's simple. Get in touch with Made Smarter. We first get to know you and your business so we can identify where technology can make the biggest positive impact. We won't ever recommend something if we don't think it fits, but we found almost 75% of businesses we've supported have put data and systems at the center of their digitalization strategy. And it's all down to their benefits.